Not me recording a tutorial on how to make someone admin in Discord. Hey guys, it is Nuclear Apple here, and welcome to another video. This man right here needs help making a bot. Yeah, well the thing is that it's not even a bot. It's literally a person. I'm just gonna show you how to admin someone. So for instance, in my own server, I'm going to actually go to this server so I can do it, because I already have it down in here. And as you can see, there's quite a bit. Yeah, there's just a little bit, you know. There's not too many. Totally not. What the this is just a random video. Yes, I'm still editing the doors. I hate the fact that I can't jump. And oh, what in the hell? Don't freak out. And just yeah. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go to my server, right? And you want to make somebody admin. I guess none of these bots are working. Anyways, so all you gotta do is go here, go to server settings, and then you just click on roles. And normally some servers, if you make a new server, you won't have any roles. You're gonna click create a role, and you can name it like admin, administrator, big manager, idiot in my, and you can change the color. I prefer like yellow or golden for it. You can, if you want to, allow anyone to mention the role. Then this is what you do. You go to permissions. So basically, to give someone admin, when you go to your permissions, you can either waste your time checking all of these, or you can go all the way down to the bottom, and there's this administrator. Members with this permission will have every permission and will also bypass all channel-specific permissions or restrictions. For example, these members will get access to all private servers. This is a dangerous permission to grant. So you don't just want to grant this to random people if they're like, give me admin. No. But I'm his friend, so he can trust me, right? So you just check that, save changes, boom, it's a thing. So then you can literally just go on someone plus administrator, and now you can see he's admin. But no. So yeah, that is how you admin someone. This is just a quick video just for this man. Yeah. Anyways, Supernova, I hope this helped. Anyways, yeah, I'll just see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, peace out.